guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Miriam and this is Create and Save, where I basically complete DIY projects in order to save money and still have your home look nice. So today's video is going to be a little different than the videos that I normally do because I'm not doing a DIY project today. I had posted a question on my Instagram page asking you guys if you guys would like for me to share tips on how you can design your home and your room as if you were a professional and have it look very nice. So today is this video that I'm doing. So basically, before I even start getting into the video, I'm going to be providing you guys with tips on how you can design your home as a professional, and then I'm going to give you a tour of my bathroom that I completed to show you guys how it all ties together. So the first tip that I'm going to give is that you need to think of how you want to feel when you are in that room. So whichever room that you are designing, think of what kind of vibes you want that room to give off to you. Do you want it to be a more calming vibe? Do you want it to be a more get up and energy vibe? You want it to make you feel energized? How do you want that room to make you feel? Because depending on how you want that room to feel will depend on what colors you put into the room and what accents and what decor and what designs go into that room. So for example, if you want a room to be very soothing and calming, you are not going to go with a red paint on the wall. That's just an example, okay? So you're going to go with a color, except if red makes you feel calm, of course, then that's different. But most people are not walking into a red room and automatically are feeling calm. Okay, so you want to go with a color scheme that works best for you, that puts you in that mood. So next, moving on, you're gonna have to think of what items or what things make you feel calm, or what things or what objects make you feel energized, or whatever mood that you're going for. So then you're gonna purchase items as such to put in that room, and that's gonna bring out the vibes for that room. And then also you want to pick out, I suggest that you pick out 3 colors that you're gonna use throughout that entire room. Because if you have a whole bunch of colors going on, if you have red curtains and then you have like blue decor, and then you have like yellow, and you have pink, and then you have orange, like that's too much. Like it's too much. So you want to pick, I say pick at least 3 colors and go off of that. So based on those 3 colors that you have chosen, you're going to make sure that everything that you buy for that room are those 3 colors. Like don't go out of the colors because it'll just throw your whole look off. Sometimes you can pull up 4, but I wouldn't go over 4 because then it just doesn't unite. It doesn't go together. It doesn't tie together, if you know what I mean. The eyes, when we look at things, we want to look at something that is like eye candy, something that is engaging and soothing, and we kind of like, our eyes as humans, we kind of like go for things that tie together and goes together. We want it to match, basically. Also, try not to over design, because if you crowd an area, then you can't really see the true beauty or the true potential of what it is that you have going on. Because if you have like more than one statement object in a room, then it's too much going on. Like it's too much for people to pay attention to, basically. So you want to use one very drastic object or one very drastic statement piece, and everything else kind of like ties into around that statement piece, just so it kind of flows and goes together. Yes, I am in my bathroom recording this video because I'm gonna later on show you the bathroom anyway. So those are my tips that I have for you. If anything kind of doesn't click, or if you still kind of have like questions about something that I didn't mention or anything like that, comment it down below or send me a DM on Instagram if you guys are not following me. I recently changed my name on Instagram to Create and Save, just so it kind of like flows and goes together, so it's not hard for you guys to find me. But yeah, you can use those tips, and if you are going to use those tips that I gave, let me know. And when you do, I want to see a picture of it. Let me know how it looks or how it turned out. Now I'm going to show you the tour of the bathroom. This is what the bathroom is looking like. We're going to do one wall at a time, just so it's not too confusing and too overwhelming. So when you first walk in, that's the door. On this wall right here by the door, I put up a curtain and I have that accent piece up there. I actually had that from my office, my old office. I took it out and brought it home because I didn't need it anymore over there. So I think that looks really good up there. As you can see, everything is like color coordinated. The entire room is black, white, and silver, so and gray. So you just want to make sure you stick with your colors. So I have that up there just to bring in a little extra decor. And then the shower the actually window curtains I got from Walmart, and that's just, you know, covering that portion. Over here, that wall flower or circulant I made in my previous video. So if you want to see how I made that, I'll put the link in the description box below so you can check that out. So that's what this side of the wall is looking like. I don't want to put too much there to, you know, do too much decoration. It'll look too crowded and confuse you. So then over here we have the sink area, and then we have this mirror. So what I did was, these actually I made, I spray painted them black and then put my glitters around it so it can all look uniform and look together. And this tray actually is a mirror from Dollar Store. I just added the glitter around it. I made that flower. It was an inspiration from, I think I went to Burlington and I saw something like that, but I wasn't paying that price. So all I did was I got Dollar Store items and I just made that little flower. I think it looks cute, like right where it's at over there. So moving on next to that wall, we have that little poster up there, which I also made, and I'll have that link in the description box as well, so you can check that out, how I made that. I'm not really feeling the yellow flower. I think I'm going to end up changing that to white or green just so it can go a little bit more, but for now it's going to stay. This shelf right here, I had posted this picture on my Instagram page, and I got a lot of response from you guys in regards to, you know, how I designed it and how I put it together and things like that. So this inspiration was for like more of a spa feel. So if you are into that as well, you can put, you know, these things, little items that you would normally see in a spa, in like on your shelf or somewhere around your room, so it'll kind of just blend in and give you that spa look. So as you can see, I got these like rocks also from Dollar Store. I got these two from Burlington. These glasses I got from Walmart, and I just put, you know, my, what is that, Q-tips, yeah, and cotton swabs in there. And this plant I got from TJ Maxx. Okay, and then there's the other side over there is that circulant that I made on that side. And that's it for this portion. And then below, above the toilet, more of like a spa inspiration as well. It's just this little picture that says calm. And these two are supposed to be like candles, but they're fake candles. Also got that from Dollar Tree, but it kind of went with the decor, so I just put that there. And then over here is a closet. Luckily for me, I have a closet. Ooh, it's a hot mess, yeah. So I can kind of hide most of the stuff in there that I don't want out to clutter the room. I can just put it in there and lock it up. And then moving along on this wall, we have a little, whatever that thing is. I don't even know what that is. It's like a little flower that I also got from Burlington. And then this mirror over here. I just replaced this actually because I tried to spray paint a white mirror that I had, and it came out like not good at all. So I just got like another mirror, another black mirror, and it goes really good with that. And as for the rugs, they're black rugs, both black, and the floor is gray, so it kind of just ties into it. A shower curtain, you know, also black and white. It goes with it. And then we kept the same idea in the shower, so shower is black and white, so everything just kind of blends in together. Anyway, if you haven't seen the video that I did for this bathroom, the like extreme makeover, because it did not look like this before. I'm gonna link that video down below as well, so check out how this bathroom was looking before, and like now that you see how it looks, like let me know, because it was crazy, disgusting. And yeah, so that's basically it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and subscribe if you have already. Subscribe if you haven't already done so. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.